Dear friends and students, good morning. Today, 10th Mathematics Application of Trigonometry, 9.1, 12th problem, let's see. From the top of a 7 meters high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable toward tower is 60 degrees. Yes, what is from a top of 7 meters high building? Yes, 7 meters high building is there. It is 7 meters high building. Yes, it is 7 meters high building. That means this side also 7 meters, 7 meters. Isn't it? 7 meters high building. From the top of the 7 meters high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is here. One cable tower is there here. One cable tower is there here. Yes, the cable tower is 60 degrees. The elevation of the cable tower is 60 degrees. He looked at the cable tower at 60 degrees. Are you able to understand? Yes. Next, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. From here to, he elevated the angle, the elevation angle from here to foot of the building. It is depression. Angle of depression is 45 degrees. Angle of depression is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the building. We have to find out. We don't know. This is, let us say x. Yes, let us name them A, B, C, D, E. Isn't it? That is the diagram we have to draw. We drew perfectly. Now we have to describe it. It is the 90 degrees angle. Here also it is here also 90 degrees angle. It is 90 meters. It is also 90. Yes. Now look at it is the depression angle means being it is the building. Building is the parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. It is the transversal. Is the transversal. You know lines and angles. When these two are parallel lines. When it is the transversal, here alternate angles are equal. These two are alternate angles. These are equal. It is 45 degrees means it is also 45 degrees. Why? Why? Because we thought these two are parallel lines. Being it is building, it will be parallel, not ups and downs. These EB parallel to, yes, EB parallel to, look here, EB parallel to DC. EB parallel to DC. Yes, it is the EC is the transversal. EC is the transversal. When these two are the parallel lines, when it is the transversal lines, this angle and this angle are alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. Yes, these two are alternate angles. If this is 45 degrees, it is also 45 degrees. Alright. We came to conclusion and drew the map perfectly. Next we have to describe the problem. What is description? Description is nothing but clearly stepwise writing the given problem. Yes, top of the building, height of the building first, HEIT, height of the building, BUILDING, building 7 meters. Alright, it is 7 meters. That means this is 7 meters means it is also 7 meters. Therefore, BC equal to ED. BC equal to ED, that is 7 meters. Isn't it? Alright. Now, how much AB? AB is equal to, I am writing I am writing in line. You write step by steps, one under another. AB is equal to H meters. We don't know. When we don't know, we say H meters or X meters, whatever may be. Now, let us see what is we have to do. He shown this top of the tower with 60 degrees angle. It is the right angle. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. That means angle C also 90 degrees. Isn't it? Now, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Alright, angle of elevation, angle of elevation from the top of the building, from the top of the building to top of the tower. Top of the tower. T-O-W-R tower is 60 degrees. Alright. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out this H and this not given. Of course, we have to find out H and EB. These two are we are needed lines. That means here adjacent angle is for 60 degrees EB and opposite angle is H. For these two relation we have to find out. Isn't it? We need not to find out this hypotenuse. Yes, these two relations are we are in need of. మనకు కావాల్సిన ఈ రెండు రిలేషన్స్. ఈ రెండు రిలేషన్స్ అంటే థీటాకు ఎదురు భుజము బై ఆసన భుజము, థీటాకు ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ బై adjacent side is the what relation? The relation is tan relation. Isn't it? Yes, angle tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That is equal to opposite side. How much? We already named them. H. Adjacent side is how much? We don't know. EB. That's all. Isn't it? EB. Now what we have to do? Tan 60 means how much? That is we have to find out. Tan 60 means root 3. Root 3 is equal to H by EB. H by EB is the tan 60. Yes, this EB and DC, these are all look like somewhat confusion. D meters, suppose it is D meters. It is D meters. That means root 3 is equal to H by D. Let us say what is the width of the building is D meters. Width of the building is D meters. Yes, now H by D, root 3 is equal to H by D. What we do? We just simply assume DC is equal to D meters. Being it is the building, what is the floor? Same is the roof. Here also say D meters, isn't it? It is D meters, it is also D meters. Instead of writing EB, we have written D meters. That you write in the bracket EB is equal to D. EB is equal to D. Alright. Now we have to do cross multiplication. Root 3 into D, root 3 into root 3 into D is equal to H. Yes, one equation. H is equal to root 3D. We have written. Yes, another one. What is he looked into? It is elevation. It is angle of depression. Angle of depression is 45 degrees means angle of here elevation also 45 degrees. Here we want to. It is theta degrees. Theta degrees means it is the opposite side. It is the adjacent side. What we have to find out? Opposite side given, adjacent side is to be find out. What is the relation we are in need of? We are in need of to the opposite side, adjacent side. Opposite side and adjacent side, the ratio is what is tan ratio is equal to tan 45 degrees is equal to tan 45 degrees is equal to how much? Oh, what is opposite side by adjacent side? 7 by D. Tan 45 degrees is 1. 1 is equal to 7 by D. Cross multiplication. 1D is equal to D. D is equal to 7. Yes, D is equal to how much? 7 meters. D is equal to 7 meters. We found. Isn't it? Now what we have to do? We have to find the H value. H value we have to find out. Yes, in one H value, H is equal to how much? Yes, write down from 1, H is equal to how much? H is equal to root 3D. Isn't it? Root 3D means how much? Root 3D means root 3 into D is how much? 7. Root 3 is root 3 plus you see H is equal to root 3 into D is equal to root 3 into D into D. It is the H. H is equal to this much. Isn't it? Now, what we have to find out? What we have to find out? We have to find out the entire. We have to find out the entire height from C to A. We have to find out. Yes. What is this? Now AC is equal. Therefore, AC is equal to H how much? Root 3. Here H plus this 7. This plus 7. That means AC is equal to H how much? Root 3 plus root 3 into 7 plus 7. Isn't it? Now we are finding out the entire building, and what did he ask? Determine the height of the tower. Determine the height of the tower we have to find out. What is the height of the tower? Already we found. How much? Height of the tower is D is equal to H. Height of the tower is this much. Total height we are finding out. AC is equal to H plus 7. Here this H plus 7. H is equal to how much? Root 3 into 7 plus 7. Now you see in these two terms these are. In these two, what are common? 7 is common. 7 let us bring down. Yes, here root 3. 7 into root 3? Root 3. Yes, this 7 we brought down. 1 is there. 1 into root 3. Root 3. Yes, plus. This 7 also brought down. Here 1. That is 7 into root 3 plus 1. 7 into root 3 plus 1 is the height of this total tower. Height of the tower. Height, H-E-I-T is the height of the tower. Are you able to understand? Here we are first only height the height of the tower of above the building. Total height of the tower how much? From here to here is the plus building plus a tower. You see what is the definition of it? But by determining the height of the tower and the height of the building. Tower and height of the building. 2 also we brought. Tower is only how much? This root 3 plus 3 into 7 plus building is 7. Total height is 7 into root 3 plus 1. That is. Thank you very much. Please like and share. Okay. from the top of two ships are one ship is exactly between the other. If one ship is exactly behind the other, exactly behind the other on the same side of the vectors or the same side of the lighthouse line. Lighthouse. Find the distance between two ships. Find the distance between two ships. As observed from the top of the centimeters. Lightness, no lightness is the observed. There is the sea, observed. Out there, triangular application. There is the triangular application of the application of ships are correct as partners. Now we must choose a third partner. This will be so. What should be exactly?